Hello everybody, I'm back, and today I got a little more about the FXT Viper goggles. There was something that is not in the book at all, and I just ran across this by accident, and I have to show you that as well. But first, I wanted to show you guys this here. This is the sunshade for the FXT Viper screen, the Viper goggle screen, and it has the holes here where you can still get to your HDMI, you can get your outputs and inputs, and your what is that on that side? SD card. You got your SD card hole, your out in and outs, the video, and your HDMI hole, and you can still get to the button and everything, and it mounts to a tripod. And it seems kind of flimsy. I mean, not really flimsy, but I mean it's okay. It's not too bad. It's not something I just willy-nilly throw into a backpack and hope it doesn't get crushed. But you open it up like this, and you just snap these into place, and there it covers the screen from the sun, as long as the sun ain't coming directly in the front of it. But to slide it on, you got to make sure you get it right side up, first of all. The tripod goes to the bottom of the screen, and you just gently slide it in like this, and it snaps right into place. And now, when you open the screen, open the sunshade, there's your screen, and you can see it just fine. Let me plug this thing in. And you can mount it to any tripod. You can use whatever. It's a standard quarter 20. I put it on my Gorilla Pod. I can put it on the tripod I'm using this camera on right now. And as you can see, you can still get to everything. You still get all your stuff that you need to get to, and your record button is up there, and your antennas. So plug this in here. As soon as this plug cooperates, there we go. Okay, so let's get to what I found in here. I didn't see it before because it wasn't in the book, and this was just an accident that I ran across this. When you hold the joystick to the right, so going that way, it comes up with, as soon as it comes up, RSSI adjust. It's got your A/B offsets and your auto adjust and reset. It timed out on me. Let's get that back up here. There you go. RSSI adjust and A/B offsets, auto adjust and reset. I would just probably leave that the way it is, but because it seems to work just fine the way it is. I haven't seen any problems with it, and I just wanted to throw that out there, so that way you guys know that that's actually in the menu. So everything else I don't need to go over again. You can just watch the previous video about the all the settings, and just wanted to let you guys see that. And the screen, the sunshade, closes up really nice, and there you go. Now, one thing you do want to make sure of, you can't have the plug in it when you go to put this on, put the screen into the sunshade. But the other thing, one last thing here, when you take this out, you don't want to pop it out. You got to hold on to it very gently, and very gently start to slide it out, and then you can grab a hold of it and pop it out, because it'll have the tendency to just go flinging. And you don't, of course you don't want to drop your screen and end up breaking it. So just got to be careful pulling it out of the sunshade. One other thing about it, there's nowhere to put it in the case. There's nowhere to put this in the case. I've tried everything. I've tried putting it up here. I've tried, putting it backwards in here. I've tried pretty much every possible way of putting this in here, and it just will not go in. There's just no way I can get it to go in there and actually fit. So that's just something you'll have to put somewhere else. When you close the lid here, it looks like there might be enough room, but there just isn't. There's no way to put it in here. That was one thing I wish that they would have done with this case, is make it a way to put this in here. I mean, you could probably tuck it down. No, I don't think it'll tuck down the bottom either. No, it won't fit down in there. It won't fit down in the inside the goggles. It won't fit down inside there. So I don't know how I would put this in here and be able to carry it like that. So anyway, there you go, FXT Sunshade. One more thing I found on the goggles screen that's not in the book. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and like the video, and leave a comment if you want. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.